What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Blessed PLQ and I'm here with another video. Hope you guys enjoy it. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe and join the blessed family. So as you guys can see by the title below, we will be doing a free Temu unboxing haul. Yeah, your girl got our first package from Temu. Big up. So let's go straight into this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Oh yeah. So first I got these. Ooh, these colors are so pretty, especially in person. They're so cute, bro. I got these slides. Oh, wrong way. Alright, yeah, these are cute. That was like me trying to make a thumbnail. Anyways, yeah, these are really cute. Look at, oh, the colors are so cute, bro. I got these in size 37. Yeah. Let me see. I got the next slide, guys. The next. They're really cute. That's really cute. Oh, these are giving, bro. These are cute too. I like these. I got these in size 37 also. They're pretty. And then the rest of stuff that I got was just some hair products. As you guys know, I'm working on the being a wig influencer. Girl, start the journey and so far it's great. So let's just go straight into the other stuffs. Yeah. All of these ones. So I got these. I'm not done some little pink already. And I got this. Ooh, the tint, the lace tint mousse. Yeah. I hope this the color that I chose, this is dark brown. I hope it fits very well. But yeah. I need my laces though, like, you know. I got these also. There's the video along, okay? So now I got pink. Yeah, I got this tail comb. And I got this glue. I always seen persons using it, so I said let me try it out. It's a ghost band, you know, glue. Yeah. Also, what's this? Yeah, I got the hair wax stick. I got some hair wax stick. So I don't know how things are go for a girl. Bless. And lastly, this is what I really need. Like I was like, I was trying my best to get one of these. So I got a hot comb, guys. Finally. Thank you so much, Temu, for this. Thank you. Ooh. Yeah, I can test out these because you know, don't know what a girl going to like. Oh my god, finally. So that's all I got. These are all the items that I got. Thank you for sponsoring this video, Temu. I really appreciate it. Hope you guys enjoy. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also the links will be below for you guys to purchase. Yeah, the good things. I'm out. Peace.